This is an internet shortcut. It's a text file containing a web address. Double-clicking it opens your default browser. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer. Let's follow the link. Be sure to stick around for the end. I'll introduce the single most powerful URL inspection tool that can address this entire problem, along with virtually every other file type you encounter. The URL format belongs to the shortcut file category. The final output is rendered in the internet shortcut structure. A URL file is a shortcut that points to a specific web address. When opened, it directs the user's web browser to the linked website. These files are small in size and contain text-based information about the target URL, including the address and potentially icon details. They provide a convenient way to access frequently visited websites. URL files adhere to a simple text-based format. They typically contain the URL address within the file, along with optional parameters like the icon to display for the shortcut. The file is interpreted by the operating system, which then launches the default web browser and navigates to the specified URL. The encoding is usually standard ASCII or UTF-8. The anticipated software for loading URL is Internet Explorer, created by Microsoft Corporation. The basic data is there, but Windows cannot process the specific formatting tags required. Windows relies on shortcut settings to locate and open the intended file or application. Let's find the specific program that recognizes the file's signature. Right-click the URL file and hit Open with Test Internet Explorer if available. If not, choose a different app. Compatibility is the likely issue. If the URL file is still giving you trouble, relax. This URL file requires certain conditions to open properly. To isolate the error, we'll quickly verify these essential details on our checklist. First, use web browser. Open the file by double-clicking it to launch the default web browser and navigate to the linked URL. Next, check Target. Right-click the .url file, go to Properties, Web Document tab, and ensure the target path points to a valid existing URL. Finally, open as text. Open the URL file in a text editor to view the raw content. When the URL file remains inaccessible, it's clear a professional-level tool is required. The Universal Viewer is the proven path to potential success. My top recommendation is the Universal Viewer File Magic. It opens virtually all formats, including your tricky URL file. Visit filemagic.com to download now. Less troubleshooting, more productivity. I hope the fix worked perfectly. Like the video and I'll see you for the next advanced troubleshooting session.